guys, it's Platypus here. So today we're going to be making a Christmas craft. We're making a water snow globe. Here are the supplies you will need. A shatterproof snow globe, some fake snow or glitter, a small figurine that you will be able to fit inside your snow globe, some sandpaper so that you can sand the bottom of the figurine, vegetable oil, and distilled water, and a glue gun. You will also need a parent or a guardian so that way they can help you with the glue gun. Okay, let's get started. First, you get a clean piece of paper towel or napkin. Then, you open your snow globe. You can find these at your local craft store. You take out the inner part of the lid, and then you place the snow globe down on the paper towel so no dust gets in. Next, you're going to get another piece of paper towel, and you're going to take your figurine and you're going to place it on there, and then you're going to sand your figurine, the bottom of it, with the sandpaper. Once you're finished with the sanding, you're going to get your hot glue gun. For this part, you need a parent or a guardian. You will dust the bottom of it. Then you can take the inner lid, and you have to sand the top of that too because you're going to put it like that. This will help the glue stick better when you're going to hot glue the two items together. So that way the glue will stay on and it will be nice and firm and a nice flat surface. Then you're going to take your glue gun and glue the bottom of the figurine. Don't put a big glob or else it'll spill out the sides. Just like this much is enough. Then you're going to take it, place it directly in the center of the inner part of the lid. You push it together, and then you're going to take your glue gun again, and you're going to try and see if you can glue the little grooves on the side as well. This will help it stay together too. Then, this is what it will look like. Then, you're going to let it sit for 24 hours. Are over and your ornament or tiny figurine is dry. Now we're going to work on the water part of our snow globe. You're going to take the snow globe and unscrew the lid. Then you're going to turn the snow globe upside down and you're going to pour the distilled water. You're going to pour about to half or 3/4 of the way in. So it's right about that. Then, you're going to pour it into a cup to measure it. And then, you're going to take your vegetable oil and you're going to put only a few drops of the vegetable oil inside of the cup. Just a couple. Just like that is good. Then you're going to mix. Once you're finished mixing, you want to make sure that it looks like it is clear and there should be no signs of too much oil, like little oily bubbles. Then you're going to pour it back into your snow globe, like so. Then, this is what you have. Then you're going to take the lid and you're going to put the lid on the snow globe. And then, this is what you have so far. Once you've finished putting the water and the mixed vegetable oil in the snow globe, you're going to set it somewhere safe, so that way it can stand still for a little bit. Next, you're going to add your glitter. Glitter works better than fake snow because the fake snow will actually float. Then you are going to glue the inside of the lid. Remember, the glue dries fast, so you have to do it super quickly. Make sure you screw it on super tight. Look at it! You're going to shake it up. And then, this is your finished project. Isn't it amazing? And look! My little house had a snowstorm. This works best with any color glitter. Perry did his in gold. Now remember, you can get these supplies at your local craft store. They're fun and easy to make. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas craft video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more fun Christmas crafts to come. See ya!